Hey guys, awakengaming back here again with another Hack the Box tutorial. And today we're going to be going over how to set up your VPN connection and connect to Hack the Box using openvpn. So be sure to watch all the way to the end. Okay, so once you've gotten past the invitation code challenge and created a login, your next step might not be quite so obvious. This video does assume that you have completed that. If you have not, you can go back and watch that video by clicking on this iCard up here at the top. What you should do is log in to Hack the Box on your Kali Linux machine. Once you're there, you should be presented with this dashboard. It'll look something like this, might not look exactly the same. And our next step is to scroll down to this Access tab and click on it. If we scroll down here to the bottom, you can see we are not connected. First time around, you will need to come and click on Regenerate. This will regenerate your VPN keys and issue new ones. It may or may not automatically prompt you to download. If it does, just save it. If it does not, you can come up here and click download, or you can just simply click here. Now that we have that downloaded, let's open up a terminal and CD over to our downloads or wherever your default download directory is. And if we ls, we see our username.ovpn. So what we can do is type sudo openvpn. And then in our case, since we only have that in our directory, we can just tab over it and it'll autofill with that. Type in our sudo password. And we can see that it's connecting. It says initiation sequence completed. Go back over to Hack the Box, click on this, and now it says we are connected. One other way to make sure that we are actually connected would be to come here to machines, click all, go over to our active machines, and at this point you should be able to start up a machine. So find a machine, start it up. In this case, I already have an active machine, so I'll just use that one. You probably won't have an active machine. In my case, I have activated this machine earlier. So we can just open, and don't mess with this terminal window once that's completed. What I usually do is right click and move this to another workspace just to get it out of mind, out of sight, so that I don't accidentally close it out or Control Z or mess with it in any way. If you do, you'll lose your connection to Hack the Box. So now we can just type in ping and then that IP address, which was 10.10.10.15 in my case. Like I said, you may have access to different boxes. Whichever box you started up, use that IP address here. And as you can see, we are getting replies back from that, so we know that we are 100% for sure connected to the VPN network, and we're able to access things on the other side. Control Z to stop that. So that'll do it for this particular video. If you guys like the video and would like to see more hacking content, more Hack the Box content, then please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon so that way that you are notified when I upload new videos. And also, you can check out my Patreon page. I'll leave a link in the description. If you do choose to become a patron, I have a number of benefits. You can check out that page and it will help me a lot in continuing to create great content for you guys. Thank you so much, and you guys stay safe.